Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances. I want to go over today the top 3 selling front load washers we have here at Don's Appliances. The first machine I want to go over is the LG model WM4000. This is the white version. It also comes in like a metallic finish as well. And what makes this unit one of our best sellers is the 4.5 cubic foot capacity. But the beauty of this unit, not only is it a full-size capacity, it's not real deep front to back. It's only 30¼ inches deep. So for those tight spaces, whether you have in an apartment, in a tight laundry area, or even a closet, this machine is ideal for that. And you're not going to sacrifice capacity to get that. Right off the bat, you'll notice we've got a nice large opening. This will handle up to a king-size standard comforter with not an issue with that. You've got some great cycles on this machine. You've got a bedding for that comforter. You've got a steam cycle to get out tough stains. You've got a bright white cycle, which is a great cycle to ensure that all your whites come out as bright as possible. And not only is this unit Wi-Fi enabled, so that you can control this from your smartphone or an iPad or an Android device, but this unit is great in terms of overall cleaning capability. So if you're looking for a great machine with a pre-wash option, with a standard type option, this is going to be the machine for you. It's very easy to use. You turn on the machine, you select what fabric, everything gets pre-selected for you. If you want to go in and micromanage any type of cycle, you can do that, whether it be temperature, whether it be spin speed. Okay, but one thing this machine won't let you do is select something that may damage your clothes. So it's great in terms of preserving your clothes and making sure that you don't really screw up. So if you're putting in a pink shirt and you've got it on a delicate cycle and you try select a high temperature, not going to happen. The other thing that's really great about this is the soap cup is very easily cleaned. So if you wanted to take this out and take this apart to pull out, to clean everything, anything blue in here comes out for ease of cleaning. So it's great to maintain any type of sanitary conditions with the soap cup. So you can clean that very easily. The last feature I want to go over on the LG model WM4000 is the turbo wash feature. That might be the best cycle on this machine. So what the turbo wash will do is it'll use various time, wash action, and various rinse and drain cycles to clean your clothes at a much faster time. Not sure, depending on the articles of clothing you have in there, it could vary anywhere from 30 to 49 minutes, but it's going to do a much better job of cleaning, and it's going to dictate that time and that wash action to give you great results. So to wrap up on the LG front loader, this is model WM4000 and it comes in a couple different colors, so I'm not going to give you the suffix on that. So to move on, we're going to take a look at the next model, which is a Samsung model, WF45R6100, and this is the white version. So what you'll notice, it's going to actually be very similar to our LG. It's got a similar capacity at 4.5 cubic foot. The big difference between this in terms of overall size is that this unit's going to be about an inch deeper. So if you're in a confined space, whether it be a closet, whether it be a tight laundry room, you want to make sure that that depth is going to work for you. So if you'll notice again as I open this unit, this will have a nice big opening, not quite as big as what we found on the LG unit. The LG was a little bit bigger, but it's still a good size. Feature-wise, this is going to be very similar to what LG offered, just not quite as many features. So it does have the steam wash option for cleanability of those tough stains, but you don't have some of the extra cycles that you did have on the LG WM4000. The biggest difference is the pre-wash, which also has a remote start option. That's the biggest difference. So if you're looking for that pre-wash option and you want to remotely have that selected, that would be the most ideal piece on the LG versus the Samsung. The Samsung, though, is a little bit more straightforward. So if you're looking for a little more basic machine, the Samsung unit will give you that ease of use. So there's not quite as much going on in terms of what the LG will offer, okay? But all in all, this is a good machine. It's one of our best sellers. From a capacity standpoint, again, it's gonna do just about anything you wanna put in. So to finish off, this is the Samsung model WF45R6100. So let's go on to the next machine. This is our third front loader that is one of our best sellers here at Don's Appliances. This is a GE model GFW 850. This is actually the sapphire blue color, which is a great color that GE offers. This also comes in a white as well as a silverish gray color. What makes this piece one of our best sellers is that this has the ultra fresh vent system on it. The biggest complaint we have with people that have prior use on front loaders or have owned a front loader is that they've got a mildew or they've got an odor coming out of their machine. A lot of that has to do with too much detergent. So what GE has done, they've developed this ultra fresh vent system so that you do not have to leave your door open to prevent mildew and odors. The other thing they've added is this microband technology, which you'll notice this is a blue boot seal. That is impervious to mold and odors. A lot of our other machines, especially the older machines, had issues with mold and with odors. This will not have that. So when you select the Vent Fresh option, a fan will come on to continue that air inside. So if there's any moisture in this boot seal at the end of the cycle, that's going to be evaporated via the fan. The other great thing about this piece, it's a nice big 5.0 cubic foot capacity. So it's going to be able to handle the biggest of king comforters. So anything you need to put in this from a capacity standpoint, this is going to be able to handle. But with that, you're going to have to watch the space that it goes into. This unit is 34 inches deep. Unlike the LG or the Samsung unit, this unit is going to be a little over 3 inches deeper, but that's due to the extra capacity, the 0.5 cubic foot capacity versus what we saw in the prior units at 4.5. A couple other features that I really like about this machine. This has a reversible door. So what's great about this is if your washing machine is on the right in your laundry room, this door can be reversed by taking this and moving it to the other side and flipping the door. Most machines don't have that capability. We don't have that on the LG or the Samsung at this time. So if you're stacking the unit, you can also reverse the door. So if it's on the opposite side in your laundry room as what we're showing, this is going to be an ideal piece. The other thing that's great about this unit, this has what GE calls their smart dispense system. So what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to fill up 50 ounces of high efficiency liquid detergent, and this will automatically dispense the proper amount of detergent. One of the biggest issues we have with any washing machine, especially a front loader, is our customers are using way too much detergent, which causes service issues on the unit, as well as that mold and excess sudsing that we've seen. The other great thing about this, there's some great basic cycles. So what you're going to have is you're going to have a quick wash, delicate, cold, active wear, which would be those items that you'd use either for kids' sports, any of their team uniforms, or any workout clothes. So that's an ideal cycle for those items. The other great cycle on this is the sanitize and allergen, which we did see on a couple of the previous machines. If you have any questions on this product or any others, please go to donsappliances.com or visit any of our locations.